The M18 FUEL with 1-key half-inch and 3/4-inch high-torque impact wrenches provide all the power and control you need for any job. The half-inch pin detent version delivers up to 750 foot-pounds of fastening torque, while the half-inch friction ring version delivers up to 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. We also offer a 3/4-inch friction ring version that delivers 1,500 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. All three wrenches are the most compact in their class and deliver the most repeatable torque. The M18 FUEL with 1-key half-inch high-torque impact wrenches give you unlimited tool customization, delivering repeatable torque results, reduced damage to materials, and time and cost savings due to less rework. 1-key tool customization gives you access to a range of predetermined setups, like the custom drive control, lug nut mode, and concrete anchor mode. Custom drive control allows you to set torque repeatability by adjusting your fastening speed, removal speed, and torque level to achieve your desired output. Lug nut mode allows you to choose your desired torque range for your vehicle specifications, and the tool will automatically adjust its torque output. Concrete anchor mode delivers consistent drive through the material and automatically shuts down to reduce strict fasteners. You can also create your own profiles and customize tool settings for your specific application. Save up to 4 different profiles directly to the memory of the tool. With the touch of a button on the tool, you'll be able to easily go back and forth between these saved profiles so that each application is done with the most accurate and productive settings. After your tool is set, you no longer need your phone out while you're on the job. Customize, track, and manage your tools and equipment with 1-key.